Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to format as table in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so if you have a sheet here and if you have entered all of your information here, and now basically you want to convert this information into a table so that you can get all of the table options on. So first of all, basically you need to select all of your rows and columns here which contains all of your information, and then make sure that you are into this home tab here. And in this home tab here, basically you can see this option where it says format as table. Okay, so just click on this one, and then you can see here bunch of different table formats here. You can select what you like, so I will just select this one here, and then you will select OK here. And then now here you can see that now basically we have converted the before that specific rows and columns with information now into a table here, because when we click on this table here, we can now see this table design option, and then there are like bunch of different things that you can do with this table. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.